Hey everyone, today we're diving boosts efficiency and saves money. It's called process reengineering or method development, and it's a total game changer for the industry. So, what are we looking at? This is a polo shirt production line, and we're focusing on one specific, crucial step: cuff joining. For years, this process was done a certain way, but what if I told you there's a much better, smarter method? An industrial engineer took a close look at the traditional cuff joining operation and completely re-engineered it. This isn't just a small tweak. It's a complete overhaul of the method. Let's break down why this is so important. In the garment industry, time is money. Every second saved on a single operation multiplies into massive savings across thousands of units. The old method for joining cuffs was effective, but it wasn't the most efficient. By rethinking the workflow and the operator's movements, we can significantly cut down the time it takes to complete one cuff join. When you speed up a process like this, a few incredible things happen. First, process efficiency skyrockets. The operator can now produce more cuffs in the same amount of time, or even less. This directly leads to the second benefit: a reduction in the CM cost, which stands for cost of making. Lowering the CM cost per garment is a huge goal for any manufacturer, as it directly impacts the final price and profitability. And of course, when efficiency goes up and costs come down, what's the natural result? Increased productivity. The entire production line becomes more powerful. It is a perfect example of how a small change in method can have a massive ripple effect throughout the entire manufacturing chain. Why process re-engineering and method development are absolutely vital in the garments industry. It's the work of brilliant industrial engineers who are constantly looking for ways to innovate and improve. And the cuff joining operation developed the method by using a simple guide. And this method, no need to cuff servicing. This method engineered as 2-in-1. That is cuff, join with servicing with accurate measurement. So it's really amazing creation. So, the next time you put on a polo shirt, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering that went into making it. It's a testament to continuous improvement and innovation. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content. See you in the next video.